Hi everyone, Miss Dahlman and Lucy here. Have you ever wondered why the moon is so bright at night? Well, that's not a lunacy question to ask, and we know that you'll be over the moon for this lesson. Enjoy!
Lucy, thank you for coming with me on this camping trip. It's been so much fun.
Oh, thank you for inviting me, Shay. It's fun to get so close to nature. The wolf in me wants to howl at the moon, ah-woo, which is really bright tonight. How does that happen, Shay?
Well, Lucy, moonlight is really reflected sunlight. Our moon does not give off its own light. Only the sun can do that. When sunlight hits the moon, some of that light is reflected back down to Earth.
Oh no! Our fire went out, but luckily I can still see. How does the sun's rays reflect off the moon?
Great question. Since we're in the dark, now's a great time to do an experiment and shed some light on the subject. Lucy, can you get me a flashlight and a mirror?
Okay, here we go. Not by my ice skates.
You find it?
No, not yet. Not by the espresso machine. Oh, that's where my garlic press was. Oh, Shay, I can't find it.
Whoops, sorry, Lucy. It was here the whole time.
Okay, side note, we found the garlic press. Time to powder my nose.
No, Lucy. We need your mirror for the experiment. I placed the mirror between us. Now, Lucy, can you go by the tent and hold up your sleeping bag? We want the light to reflect off of it when I shine my flashlight on the mirror. Mirrors are a great reflector of light, just like the moon is to the sun. That light on your sleeping bag is like the sun's rays reflecting off the moon back down to Earth. On one side of the Earth, the sun is shining, but on the other side, when it's nighttime, the moon can shine down because of the reflection from the sun.
Wow, how illuminating.
Fun fact, all of the American flags placed on the moon have been bleached white because of the sun.
Oh, here comes the sun now. When the sun comes up, nitrogen becomes datrogen.
We hope that you'll find the time to reflect on this enlightening lesson. Bye everyone!